Hello Earthlings, Ultraviolet Ronald from the Bronx here for today with the first installment of the Boxing Bodybuilder series over the course of 5 weeks. We're doing 4 workouts a week, and every 2 days, besides the rest day, we're going to increase the workout by 2 minutes. So we're progressively overloading the muscle to gain that strength that it needs to increase the speed and power and the efficiency of the movement during the duration of the workout. Now, during the first 2 weeks, it's all about really understanding your body mechanics and what it's doing during the process. That will help you later on, after you complete the 5-week series, to really utilize it in your own life for self-defense or just practicing it on the daily, because that's how you get better. So for today, it's going to be a 10-minute workout. It's going to be the first 10 rounds of just lower body, and then the last 10 rounds of boxing. So if you need to get some water, get some water. But other than that, let's begin. All right, for all those that are new to the world of boxing, you see the stance I have here? We're going to put that back foot about 35 degrees. Make sure that front foot is facing your opponent, not too straight. And right where my body is, you keep your body right where it is. You don't want it to be too square, nor do you want it to be too sideways. So keep it right where it is. Hands facing forward, chin tucked in, elbows nice and tight to the body, and just start getting a rhythm and a groove going. So just like you see here, you want to make sure that back foot never crosses that front foot, and you never want it to go behind it. You always want to make sure it's in front of that front foot, that back foot, and keep the pressure on your toes so you're able to get in and get out of danger when necessary. So again, keeping that chin tucked in, that back hand right near that ear, front hand right below that eye, and getting ready to do what you need to do. Because you never know what your opponent's going to do, but as long as you have that ready stance, you're going to be good for whatever comes your way. But the thing about boxing is that you got to really read the cues, the feints, and all that in between. Because if you have a really good opponent in front of you, it can be very hard to read that. But when it comes to the bare basics, just focus on your stance and make sure everything is coming nice and tight from the body. So it could be the jab, nice and tight to the body, cross, and you're dropping those hips into the punch. It's the same with that hook, nice and close to the body, left uppercut, right back to that stance, and keeping that dance going. Hopefully this helps. Let's get into it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Thank you for joining me on this path to the ultraviolet. If you liked the video, please subscribe, but other than that, stay with peace and love, everyone.